Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best camera drone under 250 grams in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Sharefunbay L700 Pro GPS Drone Camera. This drone provide upgraded front and button 1080 pixel HD camera. You can freely switch the aerial viewing angle with 40 million pixel still photo resolution. Excellent optical performance to record every unforgettable moment in your life. The drone equipped with 120-degree wide-angle 1080 pixel HD camera, manually adjustable 90-degree angle which can broaden your views more flexible, and record your exclusive memory. Advanced 5G technology, Wi-Fi real-time transmission FPV system, 1200-meter remote control distance, smooth and clear transmission of images. Through the mobile phone you can watch high-definition aerial footage in real time and experience the view from a different angle. This drone high-performance 7.4-volt 3000 mAh lithium battery, the maximum flight time can reach 25 minutes and charging time 2 to 3 hours. It also aircraft retrieval function. Click the GPS signal icon 3 times to open the map interface. The map displays the last distance, latitude, and longitude of the aircraft. During intelligent following, the aircraft will automatically recognizes the movement of objects and performs follow shots to easily record cool videos. This drone GPS 1 key to return to the takeoff point, return home with low power, return home without signal. Number 4. Bvs85 Pro Drone with 4K camera. The S85 Pro equipped with 4K Ultra HD camera, with advanced FPV real-time transmission tech, you can enjoy real-time images through app for beautiful scenery. It also 4K high-resolution pixel front lens. The picture is clear and it is delicate and supports 90-degree free adjustment of the angle. 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables clearer and farther FPV images transmission. The drone high-performance 3.7-volt 1200 mAh lithium battery, the maximum flight time can reach 15 minutes, remote control distance 100 meter. Our camera drone can perform 360-degree flips and rolls. Circle fly makes fly more attractive. You can define an exact flying route on the app. Map brings you spectacular flying experiences. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. It also built-in return to home function for safer fly. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range. Never worrying about losing the drone. Number 3. Nessval L900 Pro Drone. The L900 Pro is a drone with camera for adults that offers a beautiful 4K Ultra HD image with stunning clarity and deep contrast. It is 120-degree lens and 90-degree adjustable camera gives you a clearer and wider view. The 5 GHz FPV transmission can deliver an ultra-smooth, clear and reliable image feed for each and every flight. This drone provides brushless motor. It is so quiet but very powerful. When running, breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable and remote control distance 1000 meters. It also large capacity battery 3.7-volt 350 mAh high capacity smart battery yields up to 28 minutes of flight time and charging time 4 hours. The drone will automatically follow and capture you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flight and selfie. The drone app, use flight plan at your fingertips. Just draw a route on the screen, the copter will auto-fly as per the given path. The drone will automatically return home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range. Never worry about losing the drone. Number 2. Giamini 2 Camera Drone. The Giamini 2 Professional Drone Camera. This drone 12-megapixel camera in the sky delivers content guaranteed to impress, along with 4K video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal. It supports up to 10 km of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. This drone large capacity rechargeable battery. This battery maximum flight time 31 minutes. It can resist level 5 winds and take off at a maximum altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. This drone 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance and composition. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. This drone built-in return to home function for safer fly. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range, never worrying about losing the drone. Number 1. Sharefun Bay Rg101 Max Drone Camera. This drone-optimized full 4K HD camera built with shock absorption holder ensures shooting 4096 by 3072 pixel high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. 5G Wi-Fi high-speed image transmission without delay, 5 GHz FPV transmission, and 90-degree adjustable lens enables you to see the world from different angle. It also brushless motors runs more powerful with much less noise compared to brushed motors, which can enable stable and fast drone flights. Our camera drone can perform 360-degree flips and rolls. Circle fly makes fly more attractive. You can define an exact flying route on the app map, brings you spectacular flying experiences. The drone foldable design and well-fitted carrying case make it easy to take the drone outdoor. This drone provides 7.4-volt 3000 mAh intelligent batteries, works for 28 minutes, and charging time 2 hours. The drone foldable design and well-fitted carrying case make it easy to take the drone outdoor. It is so smart to fly at your will, following you automatically. Flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles, you may focus on your photography and creation. It returns automatically whenever battery is low, signal is lost, or you press one key return.